Not sure how to place an order, cancel an order, open a dispute, communicate with the seller, release payment to the seller, or contact DHgate customer service? Well, look no further, boo. I got you. In this video, we are going to go over the basic how-tos of DHgate. Hey, boo. Welcome back to my channel. So let's start with placing an order. I'm assuming you already done added all your stuff to the cart, right? Right. If you only want to pay for one order at a time, you would click select all to deselect and then click the selection that you are wanting to pay for at the time. Click proceed to checkout. This is where you input all your personal information, your shipping address, your payment method. If you're wanting faster shipping options, go under shipping method, select that tab that you see there that says e-packet, and it should be a drop down that gives you your options. Review your order. Everything good? Good. Click confirm to pay. You should then receive your payment confirmation as well as the order number. So let's say you like, I ain't mean to place that order. All you got to do is go to review order, go to view details, and look for the option that says request refund. Now DHgate want to be all up in your business. They want to know why you are deciding to cancel the order. So you would go through those different options and select which one best fits your reason. So I'm going to select items not now required. For the detailed reason, I'm going to select wrong orders. I also included a little message saying that I purchased the item by mistake. Select full refund. Now click submit request. Ta-da! You have officially canceled your order, boo. Just be on the lookout for the email that's going to come to your email address. Okay, so now we're going to move on along to communicating with the seller. Log into your account, go into my orders, look for the seller that you would like to communicate to. You have two options, online chat and sending a message to the seller. Online chat is much quicker if they are online. Remember, there's a time difference, so be mindful of that. But it's kind of like instant messenger or Facebook Messenger when it comes to the chat option. If they're online, you should get a response right away. Keep in mind, before opening dispute, you have to try to reach out to the seller. The next option is sending a message to the seller. It's kind of like sending an email, but just through the DHgate database. Once you're done typing out what you want to say, click send, and your message will successfully send. And this is where you would check for a response. It's like your inbox. Okay, moving on along to opening up a dispute. So you log into your account, go to my orders, and then you're going to find the order that you want to open a dispute for. As you can see here, according to DHgate website, if you've received something and you're not quite happy with it, you can open a claim for a partial refund. Another reason they say you can open up a claim is if your item has not arrived within the 30 days. And that's a lot of us right now. You tired of waiting, right? Right. Go ahead and open up a claim. Press open a dispute to begin the process. Once again, DHgate is going to be all up in your business. They want to know why you want to open up this claim. So since we tired of waiting, we're going to click item not received. These are the other options you could choose as to why your item has not been received. For most of us, the item has been shipped, but it's still on the way. And we've been waiting over 2 months now. Come on. So select package is still on the way. And they're going to want you to upload some type of evidence proving this. So I say take a screenshot of the tracking history showing that it's been shipped and that it's still on the way. It hasn't been scanned anymore since God knows when. That is all considered evidence. I don't know about you, but I want all my coins. So click full refund and then you will click submit. Let's say you receive the item, but you're not really happy with how it looks. You will click item not described. Product arrived damaged. And they're going to want you to submit evidence. So if it has any type of markings, if the stitching is not done properly, any type of stains, whatever, this is where you will upload that information to back up what you're saying. Now, they said that for this type of situation, you can get a partial refund, but I personally would just pick full refund, and then y'all work out that later on down the line. Let's say you done submitted the claim, but you haven't heard from DHgate. You haven't received no email. You just want to know what is going on. Log into your account, go to My Orders, and look for View Dispute Details. That should provide you with any type of updates in reference to the dispute. Let's say you done got your item, you done inspected, you done tried it on, everything looks good. You want to get them people their money. Go to your orders, or log in, go to your orders, and then click where you see item has been received. They's going to release the payment to them, and from this point, you cannot open any type of disputes or anything. You're basically saying that everything is fine. If you decide to never say you received the item and it's all good, DHgate will do it for you, so be mindful of that. Your girl don't work for DHgate. I'm just the messenger. If you have additional questions that I may have not answered in this video, go up to the Help tab. This page will appear, and you can browse it and look for the answer of what you may still be confused about. I'm almost certain that it's probably here. You can enter keywords and so forth. A lot of people are hesitant to order from DHgate, but there's no need to be. They got you. DHgate offers a buyer protection for the buyers. So you could click that at the top of the screen when you go onto the DHgate page and read up about it prior to purchasing, just to ease your mind a little bit. If you're not so sure about the icons, they interpret everything right here as well. This pretty much sums up the basic how-tos of DHgate. I also did a video on payment verification issues, so be sure to check that out. I also have a playlist of all things Aliexpress DHgate. Be sure to check that out as well. I have all that linked down below. I want to thank you so very much for watching this video. Until next time, later.